Hey there, my minions. Tone Dog barking at you again. And it's a beautiful day here in, actually this is, I want to say Clackamas, I want to say Oregon City, but it's Gladstone, Oregon, at a little cemetery, a pioneer cemetery. This is the Straight Family Cemetery is what the sign says. So let's take a look at it, shall we? Here we are at, if you look, this is just the crossroads of all kinds of stuff here in Clackamas and Oregon City area. And this is Hiram Straight, died in 1897. Here's another Straight, died in 1825. Here's, let's see, Edward, son of, anyway, Smith, died in 1872. Here we have another Hiram and Ivy Straight, died 1878. Here's, oh, I'm getting in the bushes behind me. Here is more Straights, died 1888. But folks, I'll get over here in the corner where you can see that's about it for this place. You know, you see that's about all there is for this little spot behind us. But I'll show you something that goes along with it. Here's the stone for it that marks that it's a pioneer cemetery. And then if you just go up the road here a ways, about a block, here we've got one of the original signs. But if you go all the way up here, I do believe this house right here is the Straight Pioneer Home. And so that makes lots of sense. So when you think about it, come on. So Grandpa dies here, and let's see, on the way over there where that big old tree is, right there is where I just was. So that's how far we want to take Grandpa when he's dead, and everybody else that died from the Straight home here. So technically, somebody in the Straight family dies. They put him in a box. They walk him down this direction. They go down this little area over here, which I'm pretty sure wasn't paved then. It was just a dirt road. Because see, back in the 1800s, this was probably one of the only homes around here. And so it just stands to reason that when someone died, they wouldn't take them too far, because embalming was not, I mean, super popular unless you had a lot of money or had to be kept there for a long time. So, and here we are back here at the Straight Family Pioneer Cemetery. So my minions, that was actually kind of fun, because it shows you a little of the Pacific Northwest pioneering that's gone on in this area for a couple hundred years. But some of the logistics that goes into burying someone when they died back in the day, right? So anyway, this has been Tone Dog with another Dog of the Dead out here at the Short Pioneer Cemetery on the outskirts of Oregon City. It's actually in Gladstone, just on the other side of the 205 freeway. So, love you, my minions. Check back in with you pretty soon. Peace.